Hey guys, this is Sahil. In this video, we will be seeing how can we add data inside the MongoDB while using Mongoose inside Node.js. So let's start. The first thing first, we have to install Mongoose. So to install it, just type here npm imongoose. That is it. The next thing is that we have to require it. So just type here and let me zoom in. Alright, just type here constant mongdls mongoose is equal to require the mongdls mongoose. Once you do that, we have to connect. So mongoose.connect connect. The URL is mongodb /localhost colon 27017. The database name, maybe it is balloon BALLNS balloons. Now here just type, we have to create a schema. Schema is just kind of like rows and columns. So just type here constant constant schema is equal to new mongoose.schema schema, and inside the schema there will be a name that will be a string. The next will be your maybe rating, this will be your number, for example, like this. Now the next thing is that we have to create a model. By using the schema, we have to add the model name. So type here constant model is equal to new mongoose.model, and the name will be your balloon or maybe like ball. Okay, and the next thing will be the schema. So we have created a schema just now, so it's kind of like schema here. So let's see HTML schema, and there we go. Now we have to use this model to insert data. So constant data is equal to new model and the name, which will be red, the rating, which will be just an example like this, and next is that you have to save it. So data.save, there we go. Now just kind of run this, so node app.js, and okay, now let me open my Mongoose here. So mongoose mongoose and show dbs. We got balloons here, so use BALLNS balloons. So collection, and you will be amazed to see how smart Mongoose is. It will give me the polar form of the ball here. So just kind of like show collection. Alright, so it will be S then. Yeah. We have ball, we have S, the polar form. So Mongoose is very smart at this. So just type here db.balls.find, and you will get the data, the name and the rating over here, and this is how you can do it. Now the last thing is that let's drop the database. Yeah, there we go. So guys, this is how you can insert data inside your MongoDB from Mongoose inside Node.js. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. I'll meet you in another video. Bye bye.